Hello and welcome to Mathinar. In this video we're going to be converting recurring decimals into fractions. This is part 4 of the 4-part series, so if you haven't seen the first 3 parts, have a look at the link below and make sure you understand them first. So this question, write 0.27 recurring as a fraction. This time it's worth 3 marks. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down x is equal to 0.27 recurring. Now, let's just make sure we understand what this looks like on our calculator display. So this is 0.2 and then it's the 7 that's recurring, not the 2. Okay, so this will carry on. So we ask ourselves this question again. Is the first recurring digit immediately after the decimal point? Well, here is the first recurring digit and here is the decimal point. So for the first time, the answer to this question is no. So what we need to do is make sure that it is. So I need to make sure that the decimal point is here. In order to do that, I need to multiply through, first of all, by 10. So if I times through by 10, I get 10x equals 2.7 recurring. So on your calculator, that's what it would look like. So it's 2.7 recurring. Now we ask ourselves this question again. Is the first recurring digit immediately after the decimal point? The answer is now yes. The next question we ask is how many digits are repeating? Well, here it's just a 7, 7, 7. So it's one digit, therefore we need to times by 10. So we actually need to times through by 10 again. So 10x times 10 is 100x. And 2.7 recurring times 10, it might be easier to do it here. That will give us 27.77777. So 27.7 recurring. So 100x is equal to 27.7 recurring. So the next thing we do is we subtract. We subtract the final line by the one before it. So it's 100x, take away 10x. That leaves us with 90x. And then we do 27.7 recurring, take away 2.7 recurring. If you prefer, have a look at this. The decimals will just cancel out. You're left with 27 minus 2, which is 25. So 90x equals 25, so we can rearrange this to make x equal 25 divided by 90. Both of these go into 5, so if we divide top and bottom by 5, we get 5 over 18. So 0.27 recurring can be written as 5 over 18. So have a go at these 3 questions and pause the video now and we'll come back and check the answers. So let's see how you got on with these questions. Did you manage to get that last one? So the first question gives us 33 over 90, which will simplify to 11 over 30. The second one will simplify to 41 over 90, and that's your final answer. Hopefully you managed to get those 2. Now this last one was to check if you've really mastered the topic. The initial answer would be 235 over 990, and both top and bottom divide by 5, giving you a simplified answer of 47 over 198. So how many of you managed to get that last one? Let me know in the comments below. If you got that last one right, you truly have mastered recurring decimals into fractions. See you next time.